Hi, this is Christian the Gadget Monkey, and I wanted to tell you about the EZVIZ eLife solar-powered home security camera system. I've recently got hold of one. I thought I'd set it up. Comes with a couple of mounts, magnetic and fixed mount, and a mounting kit. The mounting kit's really simple. It comes with a label that you affix to the wall, drill the holes through the guidelines, and then you're ready to put up the mounting point of your choice. Now, as I mentioned, there's a magnetic mount and a static mount. The magnetic mount, I think, is pretty cool, but possibly not that secure for intruders. The fixed mount is good enough to irritate anyone who's going to try and remove the camera. Let's put it that way. So they probably won't bother. Either way, once the camera's up, it looks really good, at which point it's time to find somewhere to place the solar-powered charging kit. This comes with a mounting sticker as well, and a sort of protruding mount, so you get a good angle on how you position the solar panel to the wall. You can then run the cable around, plug it into the camera, and then angle the solar panel as required to get the best solar coverage to keep the camera charged through the night. Now, once you've got everything plugged in, powered up and running, and you can charge the camera using a micro USB charger, so you can get that charged up before you fix it to the wall if you want instant coverage. Once you've done that, you can sync it with an app, and then you can basically monitor everything, set various triggers, sleep modes, and ensure that the area of your house exterior that you're wishing to monitor gets the coverage it needs. It's as simple as that. I had two of these and I've got them both set up within an hour. Thanks for watching.